everyone. Hope you all are following our guideline. And now we are talking about our new guideline. New guideline will be a very interesting. Why? Because it is about smoke. Not smoking, but about medicated smoke. So after putting a nasher, 2 drops in each nostril, then we have to perform a medicated smoke. That medicated smoke called in Ayurveda Dhumpan. And how we will do it, what is the benefit of it, and how it differ from the smoking addiction. We will see it. First we will see what's the benefit of this medicated smoke. With this smoke, if you have a migraine, then it will be cure allergic rhinitis. For the allergic rhinitis, it's the medicated smoke, the very wonderful medicines. Coughing, eye allergy, even if you have excessive sleep, all the day you feel sleepy, or every time you feel like that, I don't get the enough sleep, still I want to sleep, then for that condition, that medicated smoke is the best. With this everyday smoke, your tooth will be the strongest, even your hair and head will be the strongest. So you have no any disease of the teeth or hair or even head. Even for the neck pain, for the neck stiffness also this is the good. If you have asthma or throat pain, even if you have a foul smell in the mouth, then this medicated smoke will be work wonderfully. Even this medicated smoke will balance your thyroid hormone also. So that much benefit we can get this medicated smoke. Now how can we do it? You can make this type of a stick with the you can use the turmeric, you can use the tulsi, it's like we call Hailey Basley powder, or even you can make with a guglu. You can make this powder in water like a paste form, roll it like that and put this thing into the sun, and when it dry, then it will be ready for the smoke. And this thing is with 25 herbs. In Ayurveda, for daily smoke, they written 25 herbs and we will make it from that. But if you don't have it, you can use the simple turmeric powder also. And how we will do it? Here, the main thing is that routine, or normally if we do a smoke, then how we will do it? We are doing with a mouth, but that is the totally wrong method. We should do inhale with the nose and we should exhale with the mouth. Even if you have any throat pain or any kind of disease and you are doing the smoke for that purpose, then you can inhale with the mouth, but you are not allowed exhale with the nose. Why? If you inhale with the mouth and exhale with the nose, then it will be harming your eyes. And normally in routine smoke addiction, this thing happen. Everyone smoke, inhale with the mouth and exhale with the nose. So that's why that type of a smoking method give us so many harm effects, and we are as the time passing on, we are addicted with them. Even this thing, if you do excessively, even this is a medicated and this is a written that you have to do it daily, but if we do this thing also excessively, then we have so many disease like nose bleeding disorder, dryness of the mouth, dryness of the throat, and dryness of the ear, like so many diseases. So that's why smoking is a totally harmful, and we know because of that we got the cancer disease. But if you want the smoking very usefully, then you quit your smoke and use that medicated smoke. Definitely that medicated smoke will help you to quit your smoking habit also, addiction also. So instead of your smoking, you should use this thing. And we should use normally it in the morning after the brushing, after the nose nasya. But even if you want to do it in a daytime, anytime you can perform. Only the restriction is there, after food we can't smoke, after drinking milk, if we take a honey, or if we take alcohol, then after alcohol also we can't smoke. Look, these all rules for routine smoking also. If you are routinely smoking after a drink, or after milk, after take a honey, after take a food, then it will be also harming you. Now let's we see how we will smoke and how much puff we should take. So first we have to make this type of Ayurvedic medicated smoke cigarette, you can say. Then we have to first burn it like this. When it will properly burned, then you can see the smoke is already going out, and we little bit wait 1 minute or half minute, and we blow it. Then we should take a inhale with the nose, like exhale with the mouth. Likewise, we should do 3 times with each nostril, like that, 2 and 3. Likewise 3 times. So total puff will be a 9, and that is the enough, and that is the dose of the smoke. Now you think how much smoking or how much smoke puff you are taking in your routine with your addicted cigarette. More than 9, definitely. Then definitely this will harmful for us. So remember, only 9 puff. Again see it like this, like this. You after doing this, you will feel some water come in your eyes, so much lightness in your head, in your face, and you will feel so much fresh and energetic. So do it every day and let me know what the difference you are feeling. Thank you.